Hello, in this video I want to show you how to dual wield weapons in Dark and Darker. And to do this, as you can see, I have the fighter hero set and selected. It might not work for many other classes. And now to actually dual wield, let's navigate to our stash, then find or buy the specific one-handed weapons like an arming sword or short sword. Now we need to remove any secondary weapon on the slot and then just drag the weapon. For example, as you can see, arming sword can be only put on the left side of the slot, and the short sword can be equipped as a dual wield weapon. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.